Beside the river, the couple lives a small and peaceful life, surrounded by beautiful nature. The wife is busy cutting and preparing vegetables and spices for cooking. But suddenly, the calm weather turns terrifying. Strong winds begin to roar, and a violent storm sweeps across the area. At that very moment, the husband struggles to return home through the rough river in his small boat, fighting against the powerful storm. As the fire burns gently, the wife places the eggplants over the flames, roasting them slowly until they become soft and tender. The smoky aroma fills the air as she prepares them for a flavorful, traditional mashed eggplant dish. Amid the intense storm, the wife begins cooking. She places a pot on the stove and pours in the right amount of oil. As the oil heats up, she adds chopped green chilies, onions, chili powder, turmeric, seasoning, and many other spices. Then, she starts cooking a flavorful fish curry while the storm rages outside. Now, she mixes the roasted eggplants with chopped onions, dried red chilies, salt, and a little oil. Then, she carefully mashes everything together to make a delicious traditional eggplant mash. At last, all the cooking is complete. The husband and wife sit together and peacefully share their meal, enjoying a quiet moment after a long day. After dinner, the husband and wife set out on their small boat for a peaceful ride along the river. Surrounded by gentle waves, cool air, and beautiful natural scenery, they quietly enjoy the peaceful weather and the beauty of nature together.